In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog on Webflow. Creating a blog is one of the best ways to share information, grow an audience, and build an engaging online presence. With Webflow, you can design and publish your content in a professional and visually appealing way, even if you're just getting started. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of setting up and publishing your first Webflow project so you can start building the foundation for your blog with confidence. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to Webflow, sign into your account, and once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the dashboard. This is the main workspace where all your projects are stored and managed. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout because this is where you'll return whenever you want to edit or manage your blog. Next, start working on your project by adding elements to your page. Inside the editor, you'll find an option that allows you to add different components to your design. This section contains a variety of layout tools and content elements that help you build the structure of your website. As you scroll through the available elements, you'll notice different components that can be used throughout your project. For this tutorial, we'll focus on adding a text block, which is one of the most important building blocks for any blog website. Text blocks allow you to display written content clearly, making them essential for articles, announcements, and informational sections. Select the text block from the available options and place it into your project. Once added, you can begin customizing it to match the style and appearance you want for your blog. This is where creativity comes into play. You can experiment with layouts, spacing, and overall structure to create a design that fits your vision and branding. As you continue building your project, don't hesitate to explore different design possibilities. If something doesn't look right, Webflow makes it easy to adjust or replace elements until you're satisfied with the final result. The goal is to create a clean and organized layout that presents your content effectively. Once your design is complete and everything looks the way you want, it's time to publish your project online. Go to the top right corner of the Webflow editor and click the Publish button. From there, you'll see publishing options that allow you to select the domains where your project will appear. Choose your preferred publishing destination and continue with the process. After publishing, your project will officially go live on the internet. You can then open the published site and view it exactly the way your visitors will see it. Seeing your work live online is always an exciting moment and a rewarding part of the website creation process. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.